Meet the 2025 Mazda 3, a compact car that proves you don't need to sacrifice style, comfort, or driving joy for affordability. The new model carries Mazda's KODO design language forward with even sharper lines, more refined surfaces, and subtle enhancements that push it closer to premium territory. From daily commutes to weekend drives, the Mazda 3 delivers a connected, confident experience that feels far more upscale than its class suggests. From the outside, the 2025 Mazda 3 retains its sleek fastback shape, with a more aggressive front fascia featuring a gloss black mesh grille, slim adaptive LED headlights, and a new lower bumper design that adds visual width along the side. The silhouette is clean and aerodynamic, with body-colored mirrors, flush contours, and available 18-inch alloy wheels in black or polished silver. The rear features signature LED taillights, a revised bumper, and dual exhaust outlets that hint at its sporty personality. Available in both sedan and hatchback body styles, the Mazda 3 lets drivers choose their perfect mix of practicality and presence. Step inside, and you're welcomed by one of the most refined cabins in the compact class. The 2025 model features a clean horizontal dashboard layout with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and brushed aluminum accents. At the center is a new 10.25-inch display running the latest Mazda Connect system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a refined rotary dial for distraction-free control. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with paddle shifters in select trims, while the seats, available in cloth, leatherette, or genuine leather, offer excellent support and comfort. With front heating and dual-zone climate control, rear seat space remains competitive, and a hatchback variant offers added cargo flexibility for everyday use. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 offers a choice of a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, making 191 horsepower, or a 2.5-liter turbocharged version product, producing up to 250 horsepower with premium fuel. Both are paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission, with available all-wheel drive for added grip and confidence. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system helps deliver a planted, responsive ride that's smooth in the city and sharp in the corners. Fuel economy remains excellent, with up to 31 miles per gallon combined on base models. And safety remains a priority with standard features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane keep assist across all trims. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda 3 starts at $24,300 for the base sedan and climbs to around $35,000 for the fully loaded turbo hatchback with AWD. Listings begin in late August, with pre-orders now open at dealerships and online. If you're looking for a compact car that drives like a premium machine, looks like a concept, and delivers real-world value, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to set the standard. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more refined reviews. And as always, drive with soul, drive Mazda.